Welcome back. I've shown to you the output from laser cut method in making model making is very interesting, and you can see how the finishing is very versatile, which is you can make it 2D or 3D using various kind of material. But remember, not all material that can be laser cut, as long as it's burnable material such as wood, acrylic, MDF. So this is the material that I already show you in the PowerPoint later on. The laser cut machine that we have in faculty is basically can laser until 5 mm thick material. So if it's beyond that, this not the best machine that you can use. Perhaps you need to find a better and bigger and powerful machine outside. So however, this machine does a lot of things, so you will be impressed with what you have seen by your seniors project and even ours project. So it can go to until detail with the most thicker material, which is 5 mm. So basically this is the material that we use and settings that we already what we call it, we know we have to find it as the best material and the best thickness. So before we start and then you confirm and you finalize as your product, basically you will need to make a technical drawing. Am I correct? So your file from technical drawing in AutoCAD or SolidWorks, you can change it into 2D file, which is DWG, and then convert it into DXF. Also, you can use CorelDRAW. CorelDRAW is a very practical software that you can use because in manufacturing world, CorelDRAW is still being used, and this is very compatible with different kind of machines, something like EDM, blanking, laser cut, and few more. And also what we have here in faculty, we using Corel Laser. So but CorelDRAW is one of the software that really helpful. If you don't have these two softwares, you can use Illustrator too. So don't worry about not having CorelDRAW or SolidWorks or AutoCAD, but you still can use your Illustrator. Again, you have to convert it either to AI or DXF. Alright, so without further ado, let's go for the CorelDRAW. Alright, so this is CorelDRAW, yeah, CorelDRAW X7. So if you want to import the file from a DXF, which is a technical drawing or drawing file, you have to import in CorelDRAW because CorelDRAW is partially graphic software. So you don't open it, but you import. Okay, import. You go to the left, up, right, and then you go to here and go to to where your file been saved. Okay, in this case, I would like to open file, and I look for the Eagle and Robin. I import. So you just OK, and then open your file. So you can set the page into horizontal, and you can your file. Boom. Next, I would like to inform you how you can manage your file because not all the material that you want to run in the same time. Let's say in my planning in this file, I would like to run the birds in one shot, in one time run. Meanwhile, for the IND, I would like to laser on a different time and a different material with a different thickness. That's why I have to know about layer. So you can go to the right part of the screen, you can see Object Manager. So if I select this IND, automatically it will show you where the IND falls under. So it's under on hashtag layer 2 layers. Okay, this is called layer 2. So this layer will show you every part that you want to laser in other time other than the birds and anything that you want to run. Meanwhile, for the birds, you can see here curve, and this one also in the same layer. See, this is what I mean when I want to run two things in one file, in one setting. I have to save it under the same layer. I will change the layer into red color. Okay, and it will change into red. So this is the part that I want to run first. Yeah. So I will run to layer. I will run the layer 1 first because it using acrylic. Meanwhile, for this IND, I will use wood. So this is the thing that you need to understand also, yeah. Because if you don't use this or you don't set your file, it will run in the same time. All right, it will waste your time and your material. So this is very crucial. So another software that you can use is SolidWorks. All right. Okay. This DWG. I import DXF into SolidWorks. All right. The SolidWorks also can open DXF. All right. So you just zoom and everything will boom. Go check again whether the file is good or not. All right. It's not breaking anywhere, and then you are ready to go. Right? So other than SolidWorks, you can also open using your AutoCAD. Alright? Alright, this is the thing that you have to understand about laser cut file settings. Yeah, file settings only. Because later on, I will show you how to set your heat and speed. Because it will affect based on your material that you want to use. Alright, until then, see you on the next clip. Okay, now you have your machine. Alright, so you have to open it first and then you turn it on and then put your material. You must have a marker. The marker already being set in your file. So basically this is the area that you can place your material. So basically this machine supports A4 size. So the heat, alright, you can set the heat here. I will give you the settings in the PowerPoint later on. So you have to know that the heat and speed is based on the material that you want to use, and also the effect that you want to get, whether you want to cut it out or you want to engrave it. So there's two different settings and various kind of settings for different materials. So you have to understand that. So alright, so this is the laser. There are you mark on the material. So it will run based on your data that is sent from the Corel laser. So after that, after you are ready with everything, you set a file and then you have close and you run from and then you click enter from your desktop.